You were not born with bad hair. You were born with dormant texture. Most straight hair isn't actually straight. It's just trained to stay that way. Years of shampoo choices, hard water, combing habits slowly erase your natural pattern. So today, no TikTok hacks, no random oils, no just scrunch it bro. Only the actual science-backed method to turn straight hair into real waves or curls. Here's the reality. You cannot create curls out of thin air, but you can unlock the curl pattern already hidden inside your hair shaft. Hair naturally exists in 3 shapes: round follicle, straight; oval follicle, wavy; flat follicle, curly. So if your hair ever bends at the ends, frizzes in humidity, puffs after drying, refuses to stay flat, congratulations, your hair isn't straight. It's suppressed wavy. Stop killing your texture. First, we remove the enemies. This alone can change your hair within 2 weeks. 1. Stop daily shampooing. Shampoo strips lipids, the natural oils that give hair structure and memory. Use shampoo only 2 to 3 times per week. 2. Throw away 2-in-1 products. They coat hair with silicone. It looks smooth, but it locks the hair straight. What you want instead? A lightweight conditioner only. 3. Never towel rub again. That friction literally trains hair to lie flat. Instead, press, don't rub. The curl activation wash. This is where waves start appearing. Every wash day. 1. Fully soak your hair. 2. Apply conditioner. 3. Comb only while wet. 4. Cup the hair upward and gently squeeze. This motion is called scrunching. Why it works? Wet hair resets hydrogen bonds. Basically, it's shape memory. You are physically teaching your hair its natural direction. Do it for about 60 seconds. You'll see bends immediately. The drying mistake everyone makes. Air drying actually straightens hair. Yes, really. As water evaporates, its weight pulls strands downward while drying. So instead we use the plop method. Take a cotton t-shirt, flip your hair forward, wrap and hold for 10 to 15 minutes. This removes water without gravity stretching the strands. Now the texture survives the drying phase. This single step turns almost waves, locking the shape. Curls disappear because hair lacks structure. You need light hold a memory. Use one of these. Curl cream for soft waves. Sea salt spray for messy texture. Light mousse for defined curls. Apply while damp, not wet, not dry. Then scrunch again. Now your hair dries in the pattern you set. No heat required. What happens over time? Hair has muscle memory. After 2 to 3 weeks, your roots begin forming waves naturally. After 4 to 6 weeks, you won't need product every day. After 2 months, people will ask if you got a perm. You didn't. You just stopped fighting your biology.